video, I want to talk about why people sell their cars under market value. If you're new to flipping cars for profit and or you're thinking about getting into flipping cars for profit, you're probably wondering to yourself, why would someone sell me their car for much less than market value or for much less than the value in which I can resell it for? Well, there are many reasons that people sell their used vehicles for much less than market value. And for these reasons, you should have all the confidence in the world when you're looking for a great used car deal or when you're negotiating to get the best price for a used car deal, okay? So number one, people sell their cars for much less than market value because maybe they just want to get rid of it because they no longer need it. And because they're not in the car business, they have no idea exactly how much their car is worth. But they do know that they want to get the car gone. And at this point, it's just taking up space in their driveway. They don't need the car anymore. They just want it gone, right? And they're just looking to get the best offer for it. A lot of times, guys, people just don't know what their cars is worth. They just know that they don't need it anymore and they just list it. $2,000 or best offer, come get it. You know what I mean? And that $2,000 or best offer could be much, much less than what it's worth. But the seller just doesn't need it anymore. He or she is not trying to get rich off of this car. This is not how he or she makes their money. This is not the business that they're in. So they're just looking at it like if you were selling a used couch. If you're not in the furniture business, you might just post the couch for $200 to $300. Like you're not trying to get rich off of it. You're just selling something that you used to own and you're getting rid of it. So that's number one, why people sell their cars for much less than market value. Number two, maybe this person got a new car and no longer needs this car or can afford this car because now they got to pay two insurances. You know, they just have no use for it. They're just looking to get rid of it. And sometimes they just want a decent offer, okay? And a lot of times that's just what they put down for their new car. So they're looking to sell their old car. Say they put $3,000 down for the new car. They're looking to get $3,000 for their old car. Or $3,000 or best offer, or as close as possible as they put down for the new car, right, guys? Sometimes people are just upgraded and don't need the car anymore. Okay, so number three, maybe the person is moving out of state or moving out of town or somewhere and just needs it sold before they leave town. This happens all the time. So many people just sell their cars because they're moving. Number four, maybe the person just no longer has any use for it and rather sell it to a private seller because they feel that they can get more rather than selling it to the dealer when they trade the car in for a new car. So sometimes they just have no use for it and they rather sell it privately. Okay, guys, sometimes it's simple as that. And then number five, maybe there's an insurance lapse, okay? Maybe someone in the family passed away and this car is just sitting here and again, there's no use for it. So they're looking to just sell it. Now, a lot of times people don't even know what car value is, or sometimes people are just looking to get a quick couple $1,000s. So $2,000 their best offer or first $1,500 gets it. This happens every single day, all the time. People are not in the car business, and because this is not what they do for work, they're not looking to make a ton of money off their used cars. They just put it up for the best price they can come up with. Number six, this is probably the number one reason why people sell their cars under market value. Maybe the car has a small issue, such as a check engine light, and they couldn't get the car to pass inspection. Maybe the car needs new tires. They got another car, they don't want to do that little detail to it. Maybe the engine light is on, maybe an ABS light on, maybe it needs an oil change. And because they have a new car, they just got tired of keeping up with the maintenance of this car, you know what I mean? Or they just don't want to put any more money into it, and they rather just let it go rather than giving it a fresh pair of brakes or whatever the engine light is on, like the O2 sensor. Instead of putting more money into the car, they rather just let it go, guys. It really, really is that simple. So there are so many reasons people sell their cars under market value, and no matter the reason, flippers like you and I, we must be ready at the time in which the car is listed for sale so that we can be the ones to make an excellent offer depending on how much we can resell it for so that we can earn a huge profit right away. Cars are listed under market value for more reasons than you and I can even discuss, okay? But these are the top 6 that I've come across, and whatever the reason is, when they're listed for sale, we just want to be ready to buy and make a great offer so we can make a huge profit. Okay, guys, if you find this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.